Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can copy YouTube comments while using YouTube on a mobile phone. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open YouTube here, and then you can open any video that you want. So let me just open a video. So this is a video that I have opened of YouTube, and let's just go into the comments and see what comment that we can use. Okay, so this is the comment that no, let me just get another comment. Okay, so this is the comment that I want to copy. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take a screenshot and then we have to crop the screenshot. Okay, so this is the comment that we have to copy. We're going to save it, save to photos. Okay, now the comment is in the photos. I took a screenshot of it and you can see it right here. Here it is. So the next thing that we have to do is we have to go here to Safari and then we have to find an AI to do the task. So I'm going to select Gemini, which is an AI software. And now I'm going to command this AI to copy the text from the image. Wait, let me just. Please copy the text from this image. And the AI is going to do the task for us. Okay, here you go. That's how easy it is. The AI copied the comment from this image that we took a screenshot of. And what we can do is we can just select it, like select it completely. Here you go. And we can press copy and the comment is now copied. So this was as easy as it is. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.